If you're looking for a quick and affordable housing solution, this small wooden house might just be what you need. Designed with modular construction and wood frame elements, this innovative cabin combines speed, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, making it a perfect investment for those seeking a cozy retreat or additional living space. Modular design meets woodwork. The cabin is a product of a unique collaboration that merges modular construction techniques with the timeless charm of wood. Unlike traditional architecture firms, the creators have taken inspiration from outside the construction industry, bringing fresh ideas and innovative solutions. The result is a structure that's photogenic, practical, and highly functional. Features and construction. One of the standout aspects of this cabin is its rapid construction timeline. Once the materials are prepared and scheduled, the cabin can be fully assembled in just 7 days. The walls are made using sandwich panels with styrofoam insulation, ensuring excellent thermal performance. The panels are exposed in specific areas to showcase the materials used, giving it a modern and raw aesthetic. The cabin comes complete with glass fittings, electrical systems pre-installed in designated gutters for easy access, high ceilings for a spacious feel, comfortable staircases designed to maximize ease of use. While the cabin includes essential features, buyers have the flexibility to furnish it to their taste. Items like bathtubs, furniture, kitchen units, and beds are not included, allowing for customization to suit personal preferences. Efficient space utilization. The cabin's design emphasizes functionality without compromising on comfort. For instance, the bathroom layout is optimized to ensure maximum usability in a compact space. The walls are elevated slightly to improve the room's practicality, allowing for better furniture placement and enhanced comfort. Upstairs, a mezzanine adds an extra 15 square meters of usable space, bringing the total floor area to approximately 36 square meters. This loft-like area is perfect for a bedroom or relaxation space, complete with a wide view and ample room for additional furniture. Why choose this cabin? Quick assembly. The cabin's modular design enables it to be built in just 7 days, making it an ideal option for those who need a functional living space fast. Affordability. Despite its modern design and efficient construction, the cost is highly competitive, making it accessible for a wide range of buyers. Eco-friendly and sustainable. The use of wood and energy-efficient materials aligns with sustainable building practices. Customizable. With a basic structure in place, owners can tailor the interior and furnishings to meet their individual needs, a modern solution for minimalist living. This small wooden house is not just a shelter, it's a statement of modern, minimalist living. Whether used as a vacation home, rental property, or personal retreat, its blend of style, functionality, and affordability makes it a standout choice. For anyone dreaming of owning a quickly built cabin that doesn't compromise on quality or design, this innovative structure offers an unbeatable combination of speed, style, and substance.